everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming an unboxing of the Allure Fresh Start mystery box. I had an Allure credit to their shop, so I got 2 mystery boxes. I did just film the September mystery box if you want to check it out here. And this is the Fresh Start. So let's see what's inside. There is no insert or card for this box, so first thing I see is this Pixie Rose Radiance Perfector. This is Rose Infused Complexion Enhancer by Pixie Beauty. Ooh, it does actually have like a rose smell to it and just a very subtle sheen. It feels very hydrating, and I think this would be great. Wow, that's like actually really pretty. Can you see that? The lights may be washing it out. This would be really nice under makeup, just as like an illuminizer. Great. Next is the Belief Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. Visibly reduces appearance of dark circles and eye bags. I have dark circles and bags, so this is definitely something I would use. Weird. Why would they put it in such a big box? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, whatever. So it's a little travel product. I will definitely be giving this a try. I have tried so many dark circle under eye products and not a single one that I've used has been like good enough to report back. So maybe that'll be the one. Next is the Florence Hit Snooze Lip Mask. I love a good lip mask. I still use Laneige, so have not found a good replacement for that. Trader Joe's actually makes some good lip masks. Ooh, this one smells really good, and look at the color. This one looks promising. I'm gonna put this by my nightstand and use it at night. I'll let you guys know what I think about that. Next is the Jasmine Beauty Brow Styling Wax, like a pomade. This looks odd. It looks like old or something. You see the texture? And in the pan it looks like it's sunk. Okay, but it is still waxy. Maybe it's just how it settled. I'm gonna give this a try with like a spoolie, but that's a little concerning. I feel like it's an old product. I don't know. Okay, next is the Wow Raise the Root Thickening Lift Spray. This brand has great hair products, so this is kind of cool to try out for like a blowout. There's a lot in this box, oh my gosh. And then the Szechuan Styling Cream. I actually think I got this a really long time ago from Ipsy. I'll have to give this another go. I think I tried this like 2 or 3 years ago. Next is the Olaplex Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment. A little travel. Then the Flannery Water Lily PHA Pore Refining Exfoliator. Awesome. Definitely gonna give this a go. Next is the Malin and Goetz Dark Rum Perfume. Interesting. Dark rum. That sounds like really unique. Let's see what this smells like. I'm not sure. It kind of smells a little bit sour. It kind of has like a masculine note. Okay, now it's sweetening up a little bit. The initial note is kind of sour, which obviously is not a good smell. I'm not sure about this. It's perfume oil. It does smell a little bit sweeter, but it's really not my scent profile. It doesn't have much depth to it, so I don't know. Next in here is this exfoliating washcloth. Okay. Kind of random. It's got like a little. I guess I'll use this in my shower. The color is awful. It's like a terrible color. It's like a little kid neon green. And lastly in this box, which this product alone costs more than what I paid for this entire box, and this is one of my absolute favorite beauty products of all time. It's the YSL Candy Glazes. This is in Spice Brown, and hands down one of my all-time favorite beauty products. If I were to cut down my beauty collection to like one gloss, one lip product, this would be it. Not this color. This is a great color, but this is an amazing product. So yeah, that is what was in the Fresh Start Allure mystery box. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.